This video will teach you how to use our Tyson Eye virtual gallery. First, you will want to visit our website at tysoneye.com. Then go to our Services tab, scroll down to Optical Center and click Virtual Gallery, or at the bottom right of your screen, there is a small glasses icon that you can click on, and it will take you to the page as well. Once there, you will see a multitude of options. You can click on Browse Our Eyewear, or scroll down further to pick from popular brands such as Ray-Ban, Costa, Tory Burch, and more. Once you click one of the links, you'll be directed to our virtual gallery at framesdata.com. You'll notice that this page has a full gallery of glasses to choose from in our inventory. But before you start scrolling through, you'll notice in the top left corner a magnify glass that says Search Frames. When you click that icon, the gallery filter will come up, allowing you even more options to choose from, so you can truly find a pair of frames you like. The filters will be anything from eyewear and sunwear to brands, frames, color, and more. Now that you've got the frames narrowed down, you can click on a pair that you like. You can now try them on virtually by clicking on the Virtually Try On Frame button. Once you've tried them on and decide that you like this pair, you can add them to your favorites, which is located directly under the frames on the page. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to type in your first and last name, email, and phone number, and then to choose which of our Tyson Eye locations you'd like to purchase the frames from. This will alert our team of your choices you made. A confirmation email will be sent, letting you know that the Tyson Eye optical team is aware, and an optician will reach out to you in 2 to 3 business days to let you know that your frames are at the office of your choice.